Hello, my name is Steve. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use a regular expression for pattern matching in an autocomplete rule. I'll do this by creating a rule that validates that the person name fields do not have special characters. If a name field contains a special character, the rule will throw an error message. Sign in using the username and password assigned to you and enter your sandbox. As you can see, I am already in a sandbox logged in as HCM-Impl20. The yellow toolbar at the top of the page indicates that I'm in a sandbox. To navigate to the Autocomplete Rules editor, click the Tools menu on the yellow toolbar and select HCM Experience Design Studio. On the HCM Experience Design Studio page, make sure that the Autocomplete Rules tab is selected. Because we're validating person name fields, we'll select the person name business object for our rule. For the rule type, we'll select Object Validation Rule Type. Next, we enter a name for the rule. Then we want to confirm that the rule is active so that we can test it when we're done. When we create a rule, the editor includes a default string variable. This is the variable type we need for pattern matching. We'll add to the default variable name so that it is a bit more descriptive. Then, in the literal text field, we'll include a regular expression, which is a special type of string that is used to match text. In this case, our regular expression will be used to check another string for any of the special characters. If a special character is found, then the pattern matching returns a value of true. Next, we want to create a condition block. In this block, we'll put the condition statements for the pattern matching. The rule editor automatically creates an else block as part of the condition. But we won't need it for our rule, so we'll delete it. The editor automatically gives us a condition with a field from the business object, but it's not a field we need, so we're going to change it. We'll change it to the person's first name. We also want to change the string comparison operator equal to. For pattern matching, we want this to be matches. The default condition includes a literal field, but we want to change this to the string variable that holds the regular expression. When we change it, the editor automatically selects our variable, as it's the only one defined in the rule. At this point, our rule will check the person's first name for any special characters. Now we want to create two more similar conditions, one for the middle name and one for the last name. We want to change the equal to operators to matches. And now we want to make sure our rule logic works if any one of the names contains a special character. So we need to change the AND conjunction to OR. And then we need to change the literal field to our pattern matching variable. We want to display an error message if the pattern matching finds any special characters. So in the next condition group, we add an error message. Once we add that line for the message, we can delete the first default condition. We're now done creating the rule. We can save it and then test it. We'll test our rule using the new hire flow. When we get to the person details section, we'll be sure to include a special character in one of the name fields. When we click continue to exit out of this region, we should get the error message. This concludes the demonstration of how to use pattern matching in an autocomplete rule. Thanks for watching.